So guys, one key car garage back at you. We are going to be changing taillights today. All right, and these just came in hot off the press. They are used, got them off eBay. They're about $150, as cheap as I could find them for. So we're gonna swap those out, see what they look like, see what we come up with, and tool of the trade as usual. Got my new tool bag here, and guys, I like this one. It basically keeps everything together. Got this from Harbor Freight, and actually stores and separates everything perfectly. It's a backpack version, but in any event, we are going to change these puppies out, and we'll get back at you. And there are a lot of tutorials online. Sure, you're going to remove this rubber seal here, and to get to the screws or whatnot underneath, and it should be pretty much plug and play, guys. So talk to you soon. So guys, we're halfway through. As you can see, that's on, that's still on. Basically it's only three bolts here that holds this thing in. You just remove the liner back. I use a 532 socket. All right, get those off. Those assembly are there. You just squeeze the two tabs here and just release it. The entire assembly comes out, and you just reverse of how you got it off. All right. Just like that, we have gone back to factory. All right, so those are done, and these are done as well. All right, so now, and I like that factory look, clean. All right, so now, as you can see, we have started on the removal of the tint, the front tint, guys, and I'll get back at you when we are inspection ready. Ciao. And guys, just like that, we are inspection ready. As you can see, we got the tint off, so all we have to do is just clean up the glue and the residue, as I indicated on a previous video. All right, and guys, that's it. Just like that, we are ready to go. Until then, one key car garage, we are out, and we will see you on the next one.